Soup looks so good, guys. This is the color that you want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a mukbang of my soup I made earlier today. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see a little bit. The video is gonna be in the link below. So if you guys want to see what it looks like and how I prepared it, you can go ahead and watch it. But we're gonna taste it now. Well, I did taste it earlier. This is later on in the night. This is just seconds. I'm gonna take the scotch bonnet out, and it was very good, and the whole family loved it. I am pregnant, so I was craving this, so I had to cook it, and now I'm gonna eat it with you guys. So if you guys have any questions about this recipe, please do not hesitate to comment below. I'm going to be eating this as fast as I can because I do not want it to get too cold. This soup got so much vegetables in there, and it hasn't got any Jamaican dumplings, but I do have yam and lots of veggies, that's cut up smaller just to make it nice and chunky. But got some okras in there, which is good for pregnancy as well, and just good for women's health. But this lamb, or if you can get your hands on mutton, this is just like mutton soup. This lamb neck my mum got me, it is so nice. This is how big it is. Oops, this is one piece. Got another piece here, and it's got no bone as well, which is, I love the bone in soup. Sometimes it just gives it a different flavour. And then I got a big piece of yam. This is white yam actually. I've been craving white yam and not yellow yam, so today I'm just satisfying my cravings, guys. It's not too spicy, it's not too salt. Just right. This lamb. And when you're watching my video, you're gonna see I say turkey by accident because I don't know why I think of turkey neck, but it's lamb. I've only ever made lamb soup like a few times, like about 5 times in total, and it's just like, it just gets better and better. So all the carrots, the cho-cho, potatoes and pumpkins. That's the okra right there. Okra and spring onions. You guys need to try this recipe, okay? Even without meat, with chicken, whatever you have, fish, this would taste good. Let's have some yam again. It's not too hot outside, so I love comfort food. And because I'm not craving that much things, like whatever I crave, I try to cook it or get it somehow. And normally in Jamaica we eat soup, or in the Caribbean we eat soup on the weekend. It's like Saturdays, but today's Wednesday and I'm like, I need some soup, okay? I've been cooking this all day. And what I did, I cook a big pot of it. And whatever we don't want, I'm gonna meal prep and eat for the rest of the week. I freeze the rest in some containers. That's just gonna keep it from spoiling. I do not want to waste nothing. It's so good. All the carrot and oh my. I'm not a big fan of okra, but I thought let's just eat some because mommy said it's good for labour as well, and it's good for a lot of, you know, feminine stuff. So I'm glad when I cooked it today it wasn't like mushy, like I don't like the way I don't like it. It came out alright, so I'm quite happy. Ooh, this meat. Just got the right amount of bone in meat on there. But how are you guys doing? I'm doing good. I'm gonna be having mukbangs coming out once a week or something like that. Maybe like once a week I'll do a mukbang, whether I cook the food or I'm buying the food. It's gonna be a mukbang, and it's either gonna be live or pre-recorded. So look out for the mukbang videos, guys. I love doing them, and I'm gonna do them for as long as I can. And definitely, as I said before, more reaction videos for movies and music videos, so stay tuned. Almost done. I'm just trying to eat all my yam. I'm doing quite well, not drinking any water right now like I normally do, but I don't like mixing hot and cold stuff at the same time. So after this I'll drink something, but right now I'll just stick to something warm. I've got this in bone. get as much as I can out of it. Wow. This is too good. I'm just enjoying myself right now. This is what you call heaven, okay? Jamaican soup. Pumpkin soup. And it's weird because I wasn't craving any dumplings today, and I normally love dumplings, but I wasn't fussy. I just wanted something filled with veggies and just gonna taste good in my tummy and fill me up nicely. And that's it. What's that? Oh, that's spring onions. All done. All I have is that bone, and then just this piece of meat. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really good for my soul today. I really needed it. Oh, my belly's talking right now. It's happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys would try my recipe out. I would love to hear from you and your thoughts on it. This is my take on it and how, you know, I would do it. Because I'm pregnant, I do not put a lot of stuff in my soup. So check out the recipe, check out the video before this video. You will find, you know, this lovely soup. Also, it will be in the link in my bio, so look out for that as well. If you did want to go to my channel, if you're not subscribed, I put out 3 videos today, so I'm quite proud of myself, guys. I'm quite proud. Thank you guys so much for watching. Look out for more mukbangs. Oh, my belly wants more, or is it happy? Look out for more mukbangs, and also look out for more videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is a quick pic of the bump. No, the bump is happy. And I'm happy too. Peace and love, and I'll see you guys very soon.